In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Twitter sensitive content. For some reason, you want to change these settings. Perhaps you want to protect your kids from seeing any kind of dangerous or harmful content on Twitter, but I don't know how. In this episode, I'm going to show you a quick guide on how to change this Twitter sensitive content. Make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. On your Twitter home feed, proceed to click on the top left corner where you see your profile icon. Among the bunch of menus here, scroll down till you locate settings and support. Then proceed to click this to collapse it. Then you need to scroll down again and select settings and privacy. There again, among the bunch of menus here, you have to scroll down to locate privacy and safety, and we need to select this. Here you can see a list of menus. Proceed to select content you see. So this has landed us to content that are sensitive to us. So you can see here we have the option to decide what you see on Twitter based on your preference, such as topic and interest. So in any event that we don't want to see any content that are quite sensitive, we can tend to toggle this off. And in the event that you also want to prefer some topics that you don't want to see, you can either decide to put it here, or you can either do any other further exploration in your settings and your search engine. So in the event later you have a change of mind that you want to see any sensitive content, whether it's dangerous or harmful or any other content, you can navigate back to this interface. Then you have to toggle on this display media that may contain sensitive content. I hope this helps. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this content, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.